Welcome. How to verify your Expert Option account faster, step by step. You will need a government ID, proof of address, and a selfie with your ID. Open the Expert Option app or website and sign into your account. Go to your profile, then tap Verification to begin the process. Select document type, passport, driver's license, or national ID. Prepare clear photos, flat, well lit, with all corners visible. Tap Upload and choose a photo from your gallery or take one now. For address proof, upload a recent utility bill or bank statement dated within 3 months. Add a selfie holding your ID next to your face for identity confirmation. Double-check images for clarity, then press Submit to send your documents. Verification usually completes within 24 hours. High-quality images speed it up. If you need help, contact support from the app. You're all set to trade.